This video will teach you how to manifest your desires by mastering the third law of attraction, allowing. Learn how to stay centered and true to yourself, even in the midst of social interactions. Discover the art of going with the flow to create a more harmonious life. In a social setting, it's inevitable to interact with others. By the end of the video, you can also learn how to use the art of allowing to improve your relationships.
The art of allowing is the third level of the law of attraction, which means accepting things as they are, including yourself and others.
The art of allowing differs from tolerance.
Tolerance means accepting what you don't like, while allowing means not focusing on what you don't like and instead putting your attention on what you do want.
People who tolerate experience negative emotions, while people who allow don't.
You must understand the difference between the two, because you can only feel free when negative emotions disappear. If negative emotions are present, you cannot experience freedom.
The art of allowing can help us create the life experiences we desire.
When we allow, we feel happy and joyful, and these positive emotions attract more of what we want into our lives.
Embracing allowing in everyday interactions.
Focus on your feelings. When experiencing negative emotions, it means you are creating what you don't want. Direct your attention to what you desire. Your inner guidance will lead you to what you want. Create with love, intention, and joy. Be a role model. Your positive emotions inspire others.
Benefits of allowing.
Helps us find inner peace and joy. Aids in creating desired life experiences. Facilitates building more harmonious relationships with others.
The art of allowing helps us find inner peace and joy. When we no longer focus on things beyond our control, we freely create the life we desire. Common questions about the art of allowing. What if I allow others, but they don't allow me?
The art of allowing doesn't require approval from others. It means you accept their choices and don't get upset by their choices.
What will others think if I allow my own thoughts?
Others' opinions of you don't matter. What matters is how you feel. If you feel happy and joyful, then you are allowing.
Will I still progress if I allow life to unfold?
Allowing doesn't mean ceasing to pursue dreams. It means pursuing them with a more positive and optimistic attitude.
How to apply the art of allowing to improve life.
1. Focus on what you want. Direct your attention to the things, people, experiences, and feelings you desire. Think and talk positively about what you want, and avoid dwelling on what you don't want. 2. Believe your desires are attainable. Have faith in the universe and your own potential to attract what you desire. Don't doubt your abilities or let negative thoughts hold you back. Persist in your beliefs and trust that everything will unfold as you desire. 3. Align with your feelings and intuition. Pay attention to your emotions and use them as guidance. When you feel happy and content, you're on the right track. When you feel unhappy or uneasy, it's a sign you need to adjust your thinking or actions. Trust your intuition and follow its lead. 4. Seek solutions instead of dwelling on problems. When you encounter challenges, don't focus solely on the problem itself, but actively seek solutions. Think positively and believe there's always a way to overcome difficulties. Don't get bogged down by problems, but rather shift your focus to finding solutions. 5. Be compassionate towards others and yourself. Accept that everyone has their own thoughts and choices, and don't try to control or change others. Forgive yourself for mistakes and learn from them. Show empathy and understanding towards yourself and others, and believe everyone has their own pace of growth and transformation. The art of allowing is a powerful tool that can help us create the life we want. When we learn to allow, we will find that life becomes easier, more enjoyable, and more fulfilling.
The key to relationship harmony.
In the world of relationships, we often get caught up in trying to control, fix, or change others to fit our expectations. But what if I told you that there's a more effective approach that doesn't require you to change a thing about yourself or anyone else? Enter the art of allowing, a powerful principle that empowers you to accept people and situations as they are, fostering deeper connections and greater peace of mind.
Why allowing beats tolerating.
Tolerance, while often mistaken for acceptance, is like swallowing a bitter pill. It's putting up with something you don't like, but it doesn't mean you're happy about it. Allowing, on the other hand, is like embracing a warm hug. It's accepting things as they are, without judgment or resistance. This shift in perspective liberates you from the negative emotions that tolerance breeds and opens the door to genuine connection and joy.
How to apply allowing in your relationships.
The art of allowing is closely related to interpersonal relationships. When we can allow others, we accept their thoughts, beliefs, and actions, even if we don't agree or like them. This helps us build more harmonious and cohesive interpersonal relationships. Inability to allow others often stems from a sense of lack within ourselves or others. We believe either ourselves or others are not perfect enough, so we try to fulfill our needs by controlling or changing others. This leads to conflicts and impedes the development of interpersonal relationships. Allowing others doesn't mean abandoning our principles or boundaries. We can selectively accept others' thoughts and actions and express our opinions and positions when necessary. It's important to respect each other's differences while seeking common ground. Allowing others can help us learn and grow. When we can open ourselves up and accept different perspectives, we broaden our horizons and gain new insights, which helps us become better individuals.
How allowing transforms your relationships.
When you allow others to be themselves, you're essentially saying, I respect you for who you are, even if it's different from me. This creates a safe space for open communication, mutual understanding, and empathy. Instead of constantly trying to fix or change each other, you can focus on appreciating the unique qualities that make each person special.
Specific suggestions to practice the art of allowing in interpersonal relationships.
Focus on what you want. When we focus on what we want, it's easier to accept others' thoughts and actions, because we know their differences won't hinder us from achieving our goals. Practice empathy. Try to see issues from others' perspectives and understand their feelings and needs. This can help us reduce criticism and blame towards others, and foster more understanding and tolerance. Let go of control. We cannot control others' thoughts and actions, only our reactions. Therefore, we need to learn to let go of control and accept others' differences. Express your feelings. If we feel uncomfortable with others' thoughts or actions, we can express our feelings openly. However, it's essential to express ourselves respectfully, avoiding criticism or blame. Set boundaries. In some situations, we need to set boundaries to protect our interests and safety, but it's essential to set boundaries clearly and respectfully, avoiding harming others.
The art of allowing is a skill that requires continuous practice. As we continually practice allowing in interpersonal relationships, we can gradually overcome feelings of lack and build more harmonious and cohesive relationships.
The art of allowing is an essential skill in interpersonal relationships. It helps us build more harmonious and cohesive relationships and attracts more positive experiences into our lives. Through continuous practice and learning, we can gradually master the art of allowing and become better individuals.
The art of allowing is closely related to the law of attraction. When we can allow others, we can attract more positive experiences into our lives. The art of allowing is not achieved overnight. It requires continuous practice and learning. The art of allowing is not without challenges. It requires overcoming feelings of lack and the desire for control. The essence of allowing is accepting everything as it is, and maintaining positive emotions and goals to attract what we desire more quickly. Want to learn more in-depth knowledge of the law of attraction, self-improvement, spiritual growth, practical techniques and exercises? Subscribe and turn on the bell. Don't miss our new video and challenges. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are interested in unlocking their manifestation abilities. Stay positive, keep believing, and manifest your dreams into reality. Until next time, take care.